donation. I want to finalize the current lecture with this slide or this issue. How to differentiate between marketing in terms of organization, persons, places, and ideas. If you realize and understand well the definition of the first, it will be easy for the rest. As an example, we will start with organization marketing. As an example, if we want to define this term, the marketing term, you see that we use the following definition: consistent of activities undertaken to create, maintain, or change the attitude and behavior of target consumer toward an organization. Is it okay? This is under organization marketing. What if I'm addressing the person marketing? I'll just take the organization and put person. That's it. This is regarding the statement of definition. Is it okay? What you do with organization will be similar to person and ideas and etc. Regarding the definition statement. What about something behind the letter we'll do with them? Business firm sponsor public relation or corporation image marketing campaign to market themselves and polish their images. What does this paragraph mean? You know, polish? To get something more brightened, to be more shiny. Okay? I want my reputation, my image, to be more appreciated from the eyes of the customer, from the perspective of the customer. So I'm inclined to make marketing or to conduct marketing campaign, marketing strategy to brightening my image compared to the competitor's image. Is it okay? This is simply the meaning of, or the aim of the organization.